I'm Dee Dee Black, your personal hairstylist, here at the Makeup Mix. Today I'm going to show you how to create bangs by pulling the hair forward if you have long hair. First, you're going to need your rat tail comb. I've already have her hair section here in the front, so I'm just going to continue on and create a horseshoe shape. And with the longer hair, you're going to part further back in the crown, probably about from the crown of the head. So all the way back there, and then come around and do the same parting. And as you can see, her hair is very, very, very long. So to create a bang, we want to make sure we section the hair off first, and we're going to curl a little bit at a time. So I'm just going to pin the hair back that I'm not working with first with a duckbill clip. Take my flat iron or curling iron, you can use either one, and bend your wrist up and twist it nice and tight. Because the hair is so long, you want to make sure that it's not still in her face. So the more you twist it up, the tighter it gets. Do that one a little tighter. And one trick that's always really good is to make sure you twist the bottom layer a little bit tighter, and then you can have the top layer just a tiny bit looser than the first one, the bottom layer. So again, I'm sectioning it off. I'm not going to try to do that whole thing. I'm going to separate it in sections and make sure you get the base. If they have natural hair, which means they might have a couple of curls at the base, you want to get all the way in, tap it 2 or 3 times, and then bring it up and bend your wrist. And this time it's a little bit looser than what I did the first time on the bottom layer. Same thing, same sections. It's all about repeating the step over and over until you have that finished look that you want. This is my last section. And I'm just twisting my wrist up. And like I said, this same thing can be accomplished with a curling iron. Depending on how long their hair is, you probably want a curling iron at least 1 inch to 1.5 inches wide. So now I'm just going to comb it around my hands. You see it's really long. But when you have long hair, that doesn't mean you can't have a bang. It just means you have to curl it tighter. And you just comb them both together. Oh, that's beautiful. And once you're done, you always want to finish it off. Make sure you have some kind of spray, something to get rid of any flyaways that you want to see. A polished style always is finished with product. And then I'm just going to smooth it and make sure it looks smooth all the way around. And that is her long hair bang. Wow. And I'm Dee Dee Black, your personal hairstylist, and I have just showed you how to create a bang from long hair.